Guys, this is Izzy, who's just come and done her final assessment day after doing the brow course with Katy about 9 months ago, wasn't it, Izzy?
Yes, yeah.
So obviously you learned certain techniques on the initial course, and then today's a bit of a troubleshooting day, ironing out any issues, things like that, and learning a few new things.
Yeah.
You've obviously been getting on really well, as we spoke a little earlier about being very busy and quit your job within just a few months and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So what have you sort of learned today? New what, like to refresh your skills and new things?
We've used a new blade today, which I wasn't too sure on before. You've changed blades since obviously I qualified, so we've come back and learned something a bit different.
Yeah.
A different blade. And just like different techniques with the machine, like different graduations for brows and stuff.
Yeah, and let's have a little look at what you've been doing today then.
Okay.
So let's have a little look.
So this is the different blades for microblading that we've used.
Oh, right,
so they give different sort of hair strokes.
Okay.
And then these are all kind of like for ombre. You'll be using like the obviously pointillism and stuff.
Yeah.
And ombre brows as well, which are obviously massive.
Okay, brilliant. And because obviously you've been quite busy doing, what's your most popular sort of brow treatment at the moment, would you say?
Probably like starting to go into ombre brows more now. It was microblading at first,
Yeah.
but where I'm starting to offer them now for the first lot of like 10, lots of people are coming in for that, trying to,
Yeah. And do you think now, sort of coming back 9 months later, you've now got a few new things you can maybe offer people?
Yeah, definitely, yeah. I really want to try these new blades out, so I want to get some myself and obviously practice them a little bit more and then offer that out as well, so...
Excellent.
Yes.
Worth coming back then and learning a few new things.
Yeah, definitely.
And also, I suppose, just brushing up and just remembering the basics again, because I guess when you've been doing it for a few months, there might be a few things you might have forgotten about.
It's nice to have a refresher, yeah, and it's definitely easier to understand everything that's been spoken about today, having spent like 9 months doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Than when when you first come in, when it's all brand new and fresh.
Yeah.
And you came with a load of questions as well.
Yes, and they've all been answered, so that's all good.
Excellent, brilliant. We'll have a good journey back, and we'll look forward to catching up with you maybe another 9 months or so and see how you get on then.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, Izzy.